Here's a quick guide on how to make selections using the Layers palette on Affinity Designer on the iPad. First, we're going to open the Layers palette, and the most simple operation is to just tap on the group or layer that you want to select. If you want to select all, you can just tap on the first one, or just use a finger to tap on the first one, and then use two fingers to tap on the bottom one. That will select everything. If you want to, let's just cancel that. If you want to select a smaller group, you can just tap on the top one in the group, and then wherever the bottom one is, use two fingers and you'll select that section. If you want to select odd ones throughout the list, obviously as you tap you're not going to be able to select more than one, but if you slide to the right you can select whatever you want. And also you can use the command key on the touch modifier, and that will have the same effect.